I'm Camilla Cottle and I'm the designer behind the British contemporary jewellery brand, The Silver Stable. Today I'm going to show you some of the behind the scenes and I'm going to talk you through part of the process of how we make our sterling silver stirrup cuff bangle. I'm going to show you how we solder the components together. So first of all, we need our blowtorch, which is connected to our propane gas bottle. We have our two solders, our easy and our medium. We have our flux, which I will talk you through when we get to that point. And we have our tweezers and what's called a third hand. So we have our component. So this is our sterling silver wire that I've already cut and hammered into some sort of bangle shape. And we also have our, I don't know if you can see, our two sterling silver stirrups that are already made. So I'm going to attach the wire to the third hand. That just helps it keep it still because I've not got enough hands for the blowtorch and the solder and everything, so that keeps it steady. And I'm going to attach the first stirrup, just place it in position next to the wire. So for this first stirrup I am going to use medium solder. So the two solders, basically one works at a higher temperature than the other. So I'm going to go in with my flux. This just protects the metal basically from the heat, and it helps the solder flow. So we paint that all over the wire and the silver. So I'm going to take my medium silver solder, just place it on the join that we want it to connect. So that should all be in position and lined up. Take a blowtorch. And then what we do is we gradually work the flame around the wire just so everything heats up. And then we are going to place it in the water just to cool down before we add our second stirrup. So as you can see, that first stirrup is now attached. Solder's flowed around. And then we are going to attach the second stirrup. Place it in the quench bath to cool it down, and there we go, both the stirrups now attached. So what I'll do now, we have a pickle bath, a bit closer. So this just removes any of the excess solder and debris from the bangle, just cleans it up basically before we have to sand it and polish it. So I'll probably leave that in there for about 10 minutes. I will take it out and I'll give it a hand polish with the different sanding papers to get rid of the excess solder, and then it will have a final polish on the barrel polisher. My glasses off. So what we will do now is we will polish it with the filing paper, get rid of the excess solder, and then I will give it a final polish to make it all nice and shiny, all the best bit really, and I will show you the finished article when I finish doing that. Have our finished bangle. It's had its final polish and been hammered properly into shape. There you go, you can see it's nice and shiny. And there we have our finished sterling silver cuff bangle with the stirrups attached.